Welcome to my channel. You are watching Cooking Adventure. Today we will make Russian salad. It will be ready in minutes. Less ingredients, quickly prepare recipe. Anyone can make it easily. Ingredients are on screen. Pineapple, carrot, cabbage, capsicum, apple, boiled macaroni. Sugar, powder, cream, pinch salt, 1/4 black pepper. Cut all veggies and fruit in small pieces. Pineapple in slices. Boil pasta in a pot. Macaroni is boiled and ready to mix. Add sugar powder in a bowl. Add pineapple. Add boiled macaroni. Add sugar powder for spoons. Now add all the cut vegetable and fruit. Add carrot, cabbage. Now add apple and capsicum. Mix well all the ingredients. Add some pepper to taste. Pinch of salt. Add cream 1 pack in a bowl. Mix it up. Refrigerate the bowl for 2 hours. And serve it. It turns yummy. Russian salad is ready. Thanks for watching.